Addition and subtraction of radical expressions. So like radicals are radical expressions that have the same radicand. Unlike radicals, have different radicands. So if they have the same radicand, you can combine them. So if you have 4 groups of the square root of 2 plus 5 groups of square root of 2, you have 9 groups of the square root of 2. Just like terms. Whatever x is, you have 4 groups of them plus 5 groups of them, meaning you have 9 groups of them. So as long as they have the same radicand or whatever's under the radical. So 5 times the square root of 3, take away 2 times the square root of 3 is 3 square root of 3. 7, all these have the same radicand. So 7 take away 2 is 5, take away 4 is 1 square root of x. You know, usually you write the 1, but it's not incorrect. You still have 1 square root of x, 1 square root of x, either or. Here, they both have a radicand of x minus 1, so you can combine them. 4 take away 1 x minus 1 is 3. So notice the coefficient, or the number in front, is the only thing changing. Here, you cannot combine these. These are not like radicands. So adding and subtracting, unlike radicals, you want to simplify them first. So if we're adding square root of 12 plus square root of 27, 12 gets simplified to 4 and 3. So the 2 comes out. 27 is 9 and 3, so 3 comes out. 2 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3 will be 5 square root of 3. So here, simplify. 50 is divisible by 25. We did 72 before. It's 36 times 3. I lied. 2. And 32 is going to be 16 times 2. All these are perfect squares. So 5 comes out. Square root of 36 is 6. 4. So here I'm going to be multiplying. 35 square roots of 2 minus 6 square roots of 2 plus 4 square roots of 2. So 35 minus 6 is 29 plus 4 is 33 square roots of 2. Here, this is 4 times x. So that's simplified. This will be the square root of 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 square root of x plus 3 square root of x. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1 square root of x. So keep going. This is 16 times t, 9 times t, so square root of 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3. That's just one t, so it stays inside the square root symbol. So multiply negative 12 plus 3 square root of t will be negative 9 square root of t, negative 12 plus 3. Here, this is simplified. If you divide this by 2, it's 49, and 49 is a perfect square, and I went with 2 because that's already 2. That's going to be square root of 7. I mean, square rooted, it will be 7. 7 times the square root of 2. 8 minus 7 is 1, square root of 2. So if I'm simplifying these, I need perfect square factors. If I factor this 4 out, I have 4 times x minus 1. So these are perfect squares. They can be square rooted. So 2 square root of x minus 1 plus 3 square root of x minus 1 is going to be 5. Square root of x minus 1, parentheses or not, doesn't matter. Here, I'm going to go to simplify these. 100 times 5 minus 4 times 400 is a perfect square. So 10, 20, so I'm going to have 10 square root of 5 minus 4 times 20, 80 square root of 2. So they're not like radicals, so I cannot combine them. They are both simplified. And if you don't get the 400, you could start with 100 and keep simplifying after that.